You know, I like being driver, but I also like being passenger. Yeah.
Show you exactly what you're expected, what they expect of you. And it gives you a good visual too of what to do. Okay, first of all, I have to readjust my seat here. When I adjust the seat, I put my left foot on that flat part, and so it's equal with my foot over the gas pedals, so it's like equal footing sort of thing. Mirrors. Make sure I can see the back door handle. Both mirrors. And last but not least, the seat belt. So I want to make sure the wheels are straight before I back out. There we go. So into reverse, and I'm going to back it out to the right. So I signal right, and before I back up, I do a 360-degree scan around the vehicle. I keep looking around too, you know, and I keep the wheels straight here. When my front left corner reaches his bumper, I can crank it all the way to the right. And notice how I'm doing a lot of observation.
Yeah.
Signal left. When you're rolling through these laneways, just go like, you know, don't scare anybody, basically. Just bring your speed down. Right now I'm at 9 or 10. I'm past the pedestrians. I'm scanning around everywhere. Just gradually bringing my speed up a little bit now that I'm out of the danger zone. Left turn at the lights. There's tracks in front of me. Okay, we got the green light. So I'm scanning the crosswalk, I'm scanning ahead. Everything looks good. Into the left lane. Signal right away. Check the mirror. Right blind spot, check. And gradually build your speed up to 50. It's not easy to do 50 on LaSalle, but it's not impossible either. You just got to be really conscientious. My scanning pattern is there, down here, looking at the speedometer, there. So I keep bouncing my eyes around basically. And so I'm scanning this intersection ahead of time, anticipating a yellow light. If it turns yellow now, I would just want to keep on going. Wouldn't be able to stop safely behind that line. So you notice I'm managing my speed somewhere between